Hello everyone, I'm Krisha. Today we are discussing a very important topic, ESG reporting end to end. ESG is no longer just a trend. It has become a business necessity because investors, clients and regulators want to prove that the company is sustainable, responsible and transparent. So first, what is ESG? ESG stands for environment, social and governance. In simple words, ESG reporting is a structured way to show how a company performs in areas like carbon emissions, energy usage, waste management, employee welfare, safety, ethics, compliance, and leadership practices. Now, let's understand end-to-end ESG reporting process step by step. Is defining scope and goals. The company decides why it needs ESG reporting, whether for investors, compliance, branding, or global business, and which sites, plants, or operations will be into ESG framework. This is very important because ESG reports must follow standards like GRI, BRSR, SASB, TCFD, or global requirements like ESRS. The frameworks decide what data needs to be reported and how. Materiality assessment. This means identifying which ESG topics are most important for the company and stakeholders. For example, manufacturing industries focus more on emissions, waste, and water, while service industries focus more on employee well-being and governance. Data collection and validation. This is the core stage where companies collect data on electricity, fuel, water, waste, emissions, HR practices, training, safety, and compliance records. After collection, data is validated to ensure accuracy because ESG reporting must be evidence-based. ESG performance calculation and analysis. Here, key ESG indicators are calculated: the carbon footprint, the recycling rate, water intensity, safety performance, diversity ratio, and governance compliance. This step helps identify gaps and improvement areas. Drafting the ESG report. The report is prepared with ESG KPIs policies, initiatives, achievement, and future sustainability targets aligned with the selected framework. Assurance and verification, which is optional but highly recommended as a third-party verification, increases trust and reduces greenwashing risk. And finally, the last one is publishing and communication, because ESG reporting is not just about creating a document. It's about communicating your sustainability performance to the world with credibility. So that was ESG reporting end to end, from scope definition to publishing. ESG reporting is not just compliance, it is company sustainability identity. If your organization wants professional end-to-end ESG reporting support, connect with Greenex Environment now. Thanks for watching.